guys. My daughter Precious, she's just running. So guys, I'm back from Asda. Okay, so I quickly want to show you guys my Asda haul. Okay, what I bought from Asda. I didn't do a lot of vlogging in Asda because I didn't want the video to be too long. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys what I bought from Asda. My daughter is there. I don't even know what she's doing. Whether she's trying to hide under the table, I don't even understand. Okay, now she's sitting down. Precious, you are character. Okay guys, let's start the camera. Let me show you guys what I bought from Asda. So I bought 4 of this chicken roll for sandwich. I bought 4 of them, so you guys can see. Okay, and then I bought this Mabel pancake, yeah, flavored pancake. There's 5 in there. I bought 2 of them. Okay, I think they're £1 something. Guys, I cannot really remember the price of everything here because I haven't checked the receipt. I just quickly want to show you guys, but these are £1 10p, so one is £1 10p, so I bought 4. This one is £1. Okay, the price is right at the back of it. This is £1, so I got 2 of them. Okay, did you remove the camera down slightly? Yeah, that's better. And then I bought this drink. I like this drink so much. I haven't seen it for quite a while. It's peanut punch. They've reduced the price to 80p, which is really good. It used to be £1 12p, but they've reduced the price to 80p. So I bought 4 of them. Peanut punch, very nice. Okay, and then I bought this zero added sugar Fanta, £1 70. I bought just 1. And then I bought my plantain chips. You guys know that I love plantain chips. 90p for 1. Okay, I bought 3. I bought 3 of that. Then the yogurt. Okay, I'm sure you guys know this yogurt. This yogurt, the price have gone up. It's now £3. I bought 2 of them. Okay, and then I bought salt. The salt is £1 30, I think, something like that. This is 3 kilo salt. Okay, and then I got some pizza for the children. I got this particular one. This one is £4 20 for that, and then this other one they reduced it to £3 57. Okay, somehow I'm remembering the prices now. And then I bought these protective pads. They are 95p for 1. I bought 2 of them. Okay, and then I got my cream. Well, this is not the exact one that I normally use, but because I couldn't find the exact one that I use, sometimes I do use this one. This one is a bit more expensive than the other one. This one is £6 50. They are doing sales on it. It's normally £8 50 according to Asda, but sales price brought it down to £6 50. Okay, the other one that doesn't have the Q10 Femi 10, I normally used to buy that one £3.99 from B&M or Savers, and that one is much bigger than this one. Okay, but this is £6 50. And then I bought Redox. They've reduced the price of Redox as well from £2 to £1 90. So I bought 2 types of Redox. Okay guys, and then I got a spray for the boys, £1 60 for 1, between £1 60 or £1 45, one ish. And I got this for myself, £1 60. This is actually £1 60. And then I bought my toothpaste. This one is £2 75. And then I bought shaving stick for my husband, £1, I think it's £1 50 or something like that. Yeah guys, that's all that I bought from Asda. Okay guys, so that's all I bought from Asda. I hope you enjoyed this, my Asda shop with me and Asda haul. Okay, I just decided to just put everything in one video so that you guys can see it. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.